Eddie from Huntsville has a question about a sick AC.
Yeah, it's in a 50-year-old house that he's remodeling, Tom. Eddie writes, the house has been unused for 10 years, except for 1 or 2 times a year. And there have been complaints of getting sick from the central air. Apparently the ductwork has some black stuff growing inside it, he says. Eddie wants to know if he should replace the ductwork or have it cleaned.
A house that gets unused for 10 years, then you go in there and think it's going to be all healthy. I think it's going to be more than ductwork. It's going to be carpet and mold, and you didn't leave the system on. You let the house sit there and fester for a long time. And so I think it's more going to be of a whole house cleaning situation. If you get into the
boats, planes, and houses need to be used. Because if they're not, they go to rot.
Even old cars, you get in them and you go, oh my gosh, what's going on in here? But as far as that goes, maybe you need to replace your ductwork. You'll know if you look in there, if there's mold and really nasty stuff, then you let it fester too long, and that will have to be replaced too. But I don't think the air conditioner is going to be the central cause of it. I think right now you probably just need a good evaporator coil cleaning and see what goes from there. But I think the whole house probably has got problems that you need to address.
So, but as far as the ducts and the stuff in it, you'd go after the evaporator coil and then check it?
I'd start the evaporator coil, get it nice and clean, get the system all checked by a professional, which probably nobody has done in the last 10 years. And then they can go down and look in the ductwork to see if the ducts are all black with mold. But that's pretty rare, especially when you don't use the system. The mold doesn't grow in there. It's when you have a really bad system, then that's when the mold will be growing inside of your ducts.
Okay, fair enough. If you got a question, be happy to help you out. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell, guess what'll happen? Ding! We'll ring yours when we post a new one.